Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to fix Hogwarts Legacy is having compiling shader issue which is happening for many of the users and how we can fix it. So the first one is all about just follow the instruction, and the first step is we just have to restart your PC, and that is what we have to do. For that reason we have to go over here in the start, click on this one, go for restart. After the PC is restarted successfully, you just have to try to play the game and you can see whether it's going to work or not. That is what you have to try as the first one. Next one is all about we have to update Hogwarts Legacy, and that is what you have to do. That is all about the game should be up to date. So we need to make a few change. That is first one, just right click on the game. Now go to properties. Over here go to update. And under the update, make sure there are three options. That is always keep this game updated, only update this game when I launch it, high priority, always auto update the game. So make sure that we have to change this to always keep this game updated is an important step which you have to try out. So always keep this game update should be selected. That means even the Steam is not open or you're not playing, it will be up to date in the background, and this is what you have to try out. Next one is all about we have to verify integrity of game file. For that reason we have to select the game, right click and go to properties, go to local file, click on verify integrity of game file. So what happens is if files are corrupted and if any files are missing, all these kind of issues will be fixed by this particular step, and you can try this out. So just click on verify integrity of game file. This is going to take a lot of time. So when you click on this one, the particular issue will be fixed and you can try this out, and this is what you have to do. Moving to the next one is all about we have to update the driver. For updating the driver, just close everything, go to the start, right click and go to device manager. Now from here go to display adapters. Now from here you have to select NVIDIA GeForce RTX over here, then just right click and go for update driver and go for search automatically drivers. This is what you have to do. So once it has been done, so just close everything. Now we just have to go back and try to play the game as well. Next one is we have to clear the DirectX shader cache. For that reason we have to go over here in the search, go to settings, just go to settings. Now from here go to system at first. Now from here you have to go to storage. Now from here just wait over here, and once it has been done just click on temporary files. Over here if you scroll down you'll be able to see DirectX shader cache, right? So remove everything, uncheck everything. Okay, so once it is done just only check DirectX shader cache should be selected, and once it is done just go for remove file, go for continue, and it is removed. Next go for refresh it once again. Then once it is done just close everything. Now go back and restart your PC, and once it is done just go back and try to play the game. So clearing the DirectX shader cache did work out for many users, and you can try the same as well. Next one is all about we have to reinstall the game. So uninstall the game and reinstall it back. When you're reinstalling it back, keep in mind when you do this, what happens is if you have to uninstall the game, just right click over here, go to manage, uninstall the game, and reinstalling back it should be on another local disk. Over here as you can see, the local disk C is where the game is installed, and if I'm uninstalling it, it should be any other drive. It should not be C, it should be other drive. So if you're uninstalling the game from C and reinstalling it back on C is not going to work, but uninstall the game from C and try to install it back on any other drive is going to work for you, and this is what you have to do. So that's what it's all about when it comes to how to fix the Hogwarts Legacy compiling shader issue. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.